Welcome guys, today we're gonna be playing some Dead Rails. Part 2 of playing with Dead Rails with Paul John.
Yeah.
Okay Paul, start to drive bro. Drive!
Wait, the newspapers.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
You forgot. Wait. Come here. 1, 2, 3.
Paul, put them on the windows. Normally werewolves come from the sides, so we're gonna put some newspapers here.
Wait.
Put the newspaper here. Paul, it's straight.
The newspapers had put there or in the window. Where to put it? Hey, where?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're coming. Go.
Do you want to shoot the monsters or me?
I will drive. You shoot. If you find a werewolf, shoot with your shotgun.
Okay, yeah.
Of course. In 10,000 meters.
We're almost at 1,000 meters. 1,000 we have to get to 2,000 meters for the checkpoint.
We need this. Oh my god. Losing horse. We don't have a saddle or anything.
Wala ka naman pinik. Busy ka sa pag-iPad. Uy, wala kang pinik ngayon.
Oh, wait, stop. Wait. 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay.
Mr. Chen, I don't have a group.
Sorry, Paul. I had to just go talk to my baby sister. Bro, there's a house.
Are you even joking? Oh my god, there are valuables!
Oh my god, put them in your sack. Valuables. Valuable.
You take all the valuables.
Let's go. Let's not go to the next house. Crap. It's werewolf night.
And we about to get it all good up in the channel. Because I just dropped a little video on you. Because Malcolm's my dog. What'd you say? Malcolm's my dog. Outliers, you know? $10,000. But get a team meeting going, everybody. Come on, time.
Wait. Wait, I need to sleep now. Bye. I need to sleep now. Bye.
What? Bye.
Sleep. Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you.
Well, that's it. Because my friend is connected from the game. Bye.